Hi, it's Graham here from the Pillar Tool Company here in New Zealand. I'm here to show you the replacement of the top blade, the locating pin and the buffers on our Pillar Tools Mini Lopper 7118. These are the tools required to carry out this job. To replace the blade, first undo the centre bolt assembly. Now remove the blade and locating pin from the lopper. A 2.5mm drift may be required to punch out the pin. The new pin can be placed into position and tapped through the body of the housing. When the pin is placed equidistant through the housing, next up comes the refitting of the blade. It is very important to put lock solution on the thread of the tapered screw. Locate the tapered screw into its locating position and screw down firmly. Make sure the pin is located equidistant through the housing for the second time. Now it's time to refit the centre bolt assembly. You'll note we're using thread lot solution on all screw threads. The correct adjustment of the Pillar Tools Lopper is simple. Open it up so that it holds up on its own, and then with appropriate spanner we just slacken that off very slowly until the handle drops, just like that. And that is the correct adjustment. And then lock up the locking pad here. I'll now show you how to replace the annular buffers. For more information and a display of our product range, go to our e-commerce site pillartools.co.nz.